Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to insert videos into your presentations. So since most of the videos are available on YouTube, so what I will do is I'll just go to YouTube and I will just write in the search option, for instance, coronavirus symptoms in Urdu. Okay, so once so I will choose this one, the coronavirus kya hai. Okay, once I have chosen any video, the link actually comes here, and what you need to do is, once you have selected the video that you want to insert into your presentation, all you have to do is to after YouTube, after the E of the YouTube, just write PP, and as soon as you write PP and you insert and you press the enter button, it will take you to this Y2Mate search engine, and here there are different options here from which you can download. Now this is 360p, 240p. Usually a 240p or MP4 is usually acceptable for videos in PowerPoint presentation, but if you have older versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, then you can also use 144p MP4. So here I will select the 240p and I will click on download. So as soon as I click on download, it will start converting it, and it will take some time before it actually converts it. And once it converts it, it will be automatically downloaded it. So it will ask you to download it. So, and then you can close this. As you can see here, it is being downloaded here. So once this video has been downloaded and you know where it is, then you can actually select this video from the Microsoft PowerPoint and you can insert it. So I will just open it to see if it's working properly.
अब तक यकीनी तौर पर आपने COVID-19
so I'll just go to open file. So I will save it to desktop, and I will just write the name of it, coronavirus symptoms in Urdu, and I will open, or I will just save it in there. Okay, so once this has been saved, now all I have to do is to so now I know where it is. It is saved in the my desktop. So what I will do is I will just go directly to my PowerPoint presentation. So the title slide will be coronavirus symptoms, and on my next slide, okay, now how to insert video in it. So this is MS Office 365, but the same option is applicable in the previous versions of Microsoft Office, such as Microsoft 13, Microsoft 2010, Microsoft 2016, and Microsoft 2019. So all you have to do is to go to Insert tab, and from the Insert tab you go to the Media tab, and then from the Media tab you go to the Video. So it will ask you two options: online video or video on my PC. Now here you should choose the video on my PC, because the online video will need internet and it will stream as on availability of internet. So so I will select on video on my PC. So I'll go to desktop, and from the desktop this is the video that I had downloaded from Y2Mate. So I'll insert this, So as you can see, it is inserted, and I'll play on it.
अब तक यकीनी तौर पर आपने कोविड-19 के बारे में सुन लिया होगा।
Okay. Now another thing is how to enlarge the screen of this video. You can just click on the sides and you just drag it so that it increases in size. So if you want, you can make it up to the full screen. Okay, so once I go to the slideshow option here, so as soon as I click on it, it will start.
अब तक यकीनी तौर पर आपने कोविड-19 के बारे में सुन लिया होगा या फिर कोरोना।
So now once you have done it, you can actually play it. You can do some other video effects with it, but this is the basic way of inserting videos in it. Now you can go to it and you can save this PowerPoint presentation. You can add other slides here as well. So that is all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.